Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition and exploring an essential concept, macros. Have you ever heard of them? Well, if not, you're in for a treat. Macros, short for macronutrients, are the building blocks of our diet. They consist of three key elements: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each macro serves a specific purpose in our bodies. Carbohydrates are our primary source of energy, while proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues. Fats play a vital role in hormone production and nutrient absorption. Now, you might be wondering, how do I count macros? Well, it's all about tracking your food intake and hitting specific targets for each macro. To determine your macro targets, you'll need to consider factors such as your age, weight, activity level, and fitness goals. Once you have your targets, you can use a food scale and tracking app to monitor your intake. Meal prepping can also be a game changer when it comes to hitting your macro goals. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs throughout the day. When grocery shopping, don't forget to read nutrition labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes and the macronutrient breakdown per serving. Remember, achieving your macro goals isn't about restriction. It's about balance and making informed choices that support your health and fitness journey. As you embark on your macro counting journey, here are a few additional tips to help you succeed. First, focus on nutrient-dense foods. While hitting your macro targets is important, prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods ensures that you're not only meeting your macronutrient needs, but also getting essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet to optimize your overall health. Second, don't stress over perfection. It's okay if you don't hit your macro targets spot on every single day. What matters most is consistency over time. Aim to get as close to your targets as possible, but remember to be flexible and forgiving with yourself. Life happens, and it's important to enjoy special occasions and treats without guilt. Focus on progress, not perfection. Lastly, listen to your body. While tracking macros can be a valuable tool for reaching your health and fitness goals, it's essential to tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your intake accordingly. Your body is unique, and what works for someone else may not work for you. Trust yourself and prioritize your well-being above all else. And there you have it, macros demystified. We hope this video has helped you understand what macros are and how to count them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on nutrition and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.